Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Yami, and you've stumbled across my channel. I hope you stay. Click the link below right here to subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you are aware of when my videos go live. That felt a little bit weird, but I'm gonna keep it in there because I'm weird. Anywho, hi guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday. Actually feels like a Monday, but today's Tuesday, and I feel like I haven't vlogged in such a long time. There's just been so much going on that I've been so busy, and I know that sounds really funny, like, oh, you're so busy, what are you doing? But literally, this season of our life is just so busy. I'm saying, like, we have something to do every single night, whereas a couple months back, I would work during the day and I would chill at home or edit videos. So now I literally don't have time to edit videos, and I'm trying to figure out a structure where I can do that and still, enjoy the community that I've built outside of social media, which is what I think my heart really, really needed. I don't know where that came from, but that's that. And then also, I just want to say thank you guys to the overwhelming support on the last Lavavi launch. You guys knocked it out of the park. We are sold out of medium crops. Let me know if you want to restock. We have less than 5 items of each piece. And what else did I want to update you guys on? Medium joggers are almost done. And again, those also, we have less than like 10. It was incredible. You guys came out strong. I hope you guys love every single thing. Make sure when you get your stuff, take pictures in it so I can repost you guys on Lavavi Instagram, and then also feature you guys on here as well. All orders have been delivered. We delivered them yesterday, or I delivered them yesterday. Shipped them yesterday, not delivered. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Yes, I packaged and shipped them yesterday, so everyone, all orders should be out. I'm so freaking pumped. Like, I am so excited. Yesterday, I was watching on Instagram, I don't know if you guys know Sadie Robertson. She, I think, was on Duck Dynasty. I didn't watch the show, but I found her after. And she posted a quick sermon that she preached. And all it said was like, what are you missing from God's life because you're too busy comparing yourself to someone else? And it's very easy for me to get trapped in that, right? It's very easy for me to be like, oh, look at insert influencer here. I'll just go ahead and say it because I'm transparent with you guys. Like, I compare myself a lot to Taylor Teiche, and I love her so much. Like, we are friends, but it's just incredible to see how fast she's grown and balanced and everything. And that's something that I've been struggling with. But when I take a step back and I look at where I'm at and where I came from and what I'm doing, my story is just as great as hers. And her success doesn't diminish my success, and vice versa. I have to remember that my journey is not anybody else's journey, and it won't be the same as everybody else. And I have to accept that, right? I'm just really happy with the launch, how it went, and I'm so excited for the future. I was actually showering and I came up with a really good idea that I'm actually really excited to put in motion, involving Lavavi. It's not clothes per se, but it's something involving Lavavi that it just came like a light bulb, and I'm really excited to see what I can do with that. But I just went on a super long rant, and I'm sorry I look like a wet dog. I just washed my hair because it needed it. But today I am just doing a lot of work. I have some client calls that I got to do, and yeah, just work. I figured, I'm teaching my yoga class tonight. I figured I'd take you guys through a full day of eating to see what I've been eating lately. Let's be honest, I need to be accountable, so that's why I'm filming this, because if I don't film, I'm not eating. It's really weird. It's a really weird concept, but I have been having a smoothie every single day. It's become my staple, and I'm gonna make that now. It is 11, so hi poopers. It is 11, so it's a little bit later on in the day, and I am hungry. Oh, I worked out today. Are you guys proud of me? I'm so excited. I think I'm just like high on endorphins from this workout, but sorry that it's so dark here in Houston. It's very gloomy. My mom's coming next week. I'm so excited. We're doing wedding stuff. I feel like I'm just updating you guys as I go, but I'm gonna get all the ingredients for the smoothie together, and I'll be right back to show you what I do. All right, friends, I have all of my ingredients here, and I'm just going to show you. Oh, wait, I'm missing one. Banana. Okay, so my empty blender thingy, and I just take a banana. I tried doing this with frozen bananas, and I realized, or for me, I feel like I couldn't taste the banana, so I'm back to just regular bananas. I have whole frozen strawberries. I don't really count or measure anything. just what I'm in the mood for the day. Frozen blueberries, a generous amount of these. That's good. And then sometimes I'll do the last one. Should I save it? I'm gonna save it. But sometimes I'll do an acai or a dragon fruit, and I throw it in there as well. But today we're not gonna do that. We're gonna add some hemp seeds though. Again, I just pour. Then last but not least, I have found a secret ingredient to make this smoothie just a step above, you know? And it is the Optimum Collagen, but there's two flavors. The flavor that really just like kicks it up a notch is the strawberry orange. It makes it a little bit citrusy, which I love. And you'll see what I mean in a second, because sometimes I will add, as the liquid, I'll add almond milk, but lately I have been adding it orange juice. But if you're counting macros and stuff like that, orange juice obviously is all carbs, so that might be something that you might be weary on. So almond milk works just as great. I'm just gonna do almond milk today. I don't know why, I just feel like having almond milk. And again, I'm not measuring, I'm just like estimating. And that's it, literally, that is it. You can add whatever you want. I was doing some, like a peanut butter blueberry banana blend, but I am just into this fruity thing right now. So I'm gonna blend her up. This literally is the worst part. Every single day I can't open this thing. It's not gonna work. Oh, there it goes. Whew. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy. It's a pretty big smoothie. This kind of keeps me satiated for like the next, I don't know, 30 minutes. I'm kidding. Like 2 hours or so, just because it's a lot and I drink it while I'm working. So it lasts me a long time. If I'm just sitting and drinking a smoothie, it'll be gone in 30 seconds, but I'm not. So that is my first meal. And then I'm gonna go set up my computer and start working. I have a hair, there it is. I have a couple client check-ins today, and then some Lovely stuff. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Also, I should tell you guys that I've been, I don't know if I've showed you guys this before, but these are the new Optimum prebiotic and probiotic gummies. And then this one is the immunity and probiotic gummies. This one is tangerine and that one is blueberry, I think. Blue raspberry. So I take 2 of these and then 2 of these and go about my way. So I'll see you guys later. Hi friends, it is now almost 3 o'clock and I haven't had anything since that smoothie. But I figured I should get up and make some food before my class because I don't want anything too heavy right before my yoga class. So we have some white rice cooked. We don't have anything else really except this lean ground beef. So that's what I'm gonna make. It's 93% lean, 7% fat. And I'm gonna cook it right now. Right now I have the pan heating up. I put some olive oil in there and I'm just gonna season this with some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some sea salt, which I don't know where it is right now, but oh, here it is. And some sea salt. So I'm just gonna cook this, and then I'm not sure what I'm gonna add to it. Maybe some tomatoes. I had an avocado go bad. I bought like 7 avocados at once that were already like ready to go. And so I had to throw away 2. But I wanted my avocado toast, but I can't have it. So this is the next best thing. So I'm just gonna like rummage through my refrigerator, see what I can top it with. Maybe some salsa, some cilantro. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'll come back and let you all know. All right, friends, I thought I wanted something a little bit more creative, but all I want is a simple rice and beef. There are some times that is all I crave, like clean, simple food, AKA this right here. And I'm gonna enjoy every second. I think I might have gave myself a little too much, but it's okay. I haven't had anything to eat. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi friends, it is now 5:15 and I'm getting ready to head out the door to teach my yoga class, but I want to share with you guys what I'm taking. I'm taking this to go because I like to snack on things when I'm driving, and also, more importantly, as soon as I'm done with my class, I'm usually starving just because it's a hot yoga class and just like sweating out all the toxins and, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm hungry, I'm depleted, and I want something to eat on the way home. So that's why I have my dates And then I have no idea what we're doing for dinner tonight. So we're both gonna be surprised. Know what I'm saying? All right, so I will see you guys in a couple hours. Bye. Hello, it's now 8:10 and I just got home from teaching my class. And you guys, update. I only had like 3 of the dates. No, like 2 of the dates because the first 2 were fantastic. And then the last one I had, I put it in my mouth and I was like, this tastes a little bit weird, but I ate it anyway. And then I took another bite and I was like, nope, tasted rotten and bad. So I threw it out. So I didn't have anything else. But I was feeling great until on the way home, I started getting like cramps in my belly. So I'm not super starving. So I think I'm just gonna have leftover pho. Taz was sick the past couple days and we ordered some pho, which he never ate. So this is his leftovers because I went to town on some pho. I had it in Cali and I am obsessed with it now. And it's cold now in Houston. So this is literally what I'm having for dinner. It's just pretty much soup. It's the noodles and I've got some chicken, basil. I put some lime in here and their sauce, just a little bit of their sauce. I forgot what the sauce is called. It's like, looks like eel sauce kind of, but this is Hosen sauce. But I put only a little bit when I prepped it for him and I literally just reheated it. So I'm gonna eat that and then not sure how I'm feeling or not sure how I'll feel afterwards. So I'll keep you guys posted, but I'm gonna eat this and catch up with my mans because we haven't seen each other all day. He's been at work, so. Okay, bye. Hello. It's now 9 o'clock and Taz and I were just catching up and doing some wedding stuff, which I'm so excited about. It's less than 7 months, guys. So it's gonna be here before you know it. Anyway, my belly's feeling much better after that soup. So I'm gonna have one last thing. I wanted like a little sweet treat and I thought I wanted ice cream and I thought I wanted chocolate, but this is what I'm craving. The Optimum Nature Bites. I'm actually really sad because they're gonna discontinue. They're gonna discontinue these Nature Bites. Apparently they're not doing well, which I find that to be very hard to believe, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna eat this and then get to bed because I'm trying a new class out tomorrow at 7:30 in the morning, which I'm really, really pumped about. So I'll let you guys know how I like it. Okay, bye.
The next day.
Good morning, friends. It is now the next day. Oh, I'm sore. And I just got home from the boxing class and it was so much fun. I'm already sore. I woke up sore from my yoga class yesterday, but I almost didn't go this morning. Like I was in bed at like, my alarm clock went off at 5:45 and I was like, I snoozed for like 45 minutes. Got up at 6:30 and ran out the door. Made it to class on time. It was great. So much fun. I'm gonna insert a video of me sparring right here so you guys can see. And it's great. But I wanted to come on here and just, I was thinking on the way home that why do we stop doing things that we enjoy? I love boxing. I started boxing when I was living in New York City and I met this woman, her name was Teresa, and now she has like a ginormous company in New York City. It's like Women's World of Boxing is what it's called. And I loved it. It was like my escape. It wasn't so much to like lose weight, but it was my form of movement, my exercise. And I used it to supplement my routine and I just loved it. And then when I moved, I kind of just stopped and then moved here again, did a little bit of boxing and then I stopped because why? I don't know. And I'm learning more about Enneagram numbers and I've taken the test like 4 times already because I always get a different answer. And I'm researching more about the numbers and I think I'm a 9, which means, I'm learning a lot about my personality. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I apologize. I am not an expert by any means in Enneagram, but the more I've researched a 9, I've realized that I'm more and more like that, which explains a lot about my decisions or non-decisions rather, and just who I am as a person in general and why I do things. So anyway, that was a tangent, but I've been thinking about joining this gym because number one, it was amazing. It was a blast. I had a great time. The workout was great. And I just need something to motivate me. I told Taz yesterday, I was like, I'm going to tell you something and I don't want you to laugh at me. And this is just me being honest with you guys. I told him, I was like, I think I'm going to hire a trainer or a coach or something. And he was like, oh my gosh, me too. Which made me feel really good because, you know, I didn't feel like I was crazy. And I just continued to tell him that I wanted to do that because at this point in my life right now, I know I'm a personal trainer and I know I have the skills to create a program for myself. But where I'm at right now, it's hard out here in these streets. I cannot get myself into the gym. I cannot follow a program that I myself create. So for me, what I have to do for myself in this time right now is have accountability somehow. And that just means hiring someone. And I don't think I want like an online coach. I think I want like a one-on-one person or class or whatever it is. And I find that in this class, I just enjoy it. So, I mean, I haven't made any final decisions, but it's something that I'm thinking about and something that I wanted to encourage you guys to kind of think about what it is you enjoy doing and doing that, because sometimes we kind of just say, oh, you know what? I don't need to do that. That just makes me happy and it's not important. Like work is more important because it has to get done, but you know, a hobby doesn't matter, which you can put off to the side. And I'm here to remind you that it does matter. It will keep you sane. It will keep you happy. If we're just doing things that we have to do, like work and pay bills and clean, and then we are not enjoying this life. This life was made for so much more. And, you know, I'm not just doing this for you. I'm talking to myself right now because it's so easy to fall into that trap of like work, grind, no days off, must keep making more money, must keep getting more followers, must keep doing more. Like we just need to pull back a little bit and actually do some things that we actually enjoy, because we're going to burn ourselves out, not only like physically and mentally, but if we are not seeking joy in day-to-day things, or even every other day, or even once a week, if we don't have that one thing to look forward to, like what are we even doing? You know what I mean? So, I mean, I don't know where that came from, but I just want to be more intentional with things that I enjoy and not doing things just to do things. And it's a learning experience and it's a growing experience. The more I grow, the more things change and the more things stay the same. Like, isn't that a song or something? But there are things that I want to do, and I think this would be a really cool, fun time for me. And this is not sponsored at all. I kind of wish it were, because these classes are kind of pricey. So yeah, it's just something I have to think about. Think if I can fit into my budget and make it work. So I don't know. That's just a little bit food for thought for you guys. As you find yourself today, wherever you find yourself, do something that sparks joy within you. And it could be literally anything, whatever it is that you find joy in. It could be coloring, it could be drawing, it could be going out for a walk, walking your dog, going to a dance class, going to a karate class, taking a salsa class, taking a boys class, whatever it is, just do it. And enjoy it and enjoy your life, because we only have this one life, and I would hate for us to live this life and not truly enjoy it and get the most out of it. So that's all I got. Oh, I did want to mention that there are only a couple joggers left in the color Onyx, which is our black color, in the size medium. So if you were thinking about getting a jogger, you might want to do that, because we're almost out, literally like less than 5 pairs. And then also same with the crop tops. We are out of the black medium crop tops, and then we have less than 5 of each for each piece in each size. Hope that made sense. So we have less than 5 in each size. Yes. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love ya. Mwah.